Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, January 8th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we have a units of measurement retake on Friday. If you do not get a 36 out of 40 or better on that, that is our only homework. We'll begin Module 7 tomorrow. In science, we've got our energy quiz on Friday. And your conclusions for science fair, that is due on Friday for the honors class. In social studies, we had an assignment called Stairway to Heaven, 6 questions. Most people had time to get that done in class and submitted. In language arts, we've got our human body idioms. That is a worksheet that is due tomorrow. Also, you have your memory box project that is due Thursday. If you went today and turned it in or went and volunteered early, you got 5 extra credit points. Tomorrow, it would be 2 extra credit points. Make sure that you are following the guidelines and the handouts. In literature, there is no homework as we were in the library today. That's going to be it for this evening. Make sure that you have a great evening, and we will see everyone tomorrow.